you doing?
I'm good, thanks.
Excellent. I've got a little card trick for you. Now, I don't know, have you seen many card tricks before?
A couple.
A couple of card tricks, that makes sense. Well, before people did card tricks with cards, they were actually used for sort of fortune telling before. Even before tarot cards were used for fortune telling. And this is because playing cards have a lot of similarities with the kind of, with the calendar, I guess you'd say, in that there's 4 suits and there's 4 seasons, and there's 52 cards in a deck and 52 weeks in a year. And if you add up all the numbers on the deck of cards, it adds up to 365, which is the days in a year. So it's all kind of tied together with the whole calendar and your star sign and that kind of thing. So that's what we're going to try and do, a little trick with that. So we'll start off by I'll leave them here. And I've also got a little handy card here with your star signs on there. So what I'd like you to do is to have a look for your star sign on the list. You know your star sign, yeah? Mm-hmm. And I want you to take that number of cards off the top of the deck. So I'm Gemini, so I would take 5 cards, and you can hide them in the card box if you like. Okay. But I'll turn away while you do that, and I'll try not to listen very hard as well, just so I can't hear how many cards you take. And then just tuck them into the card box or into a pocket, anything you like, and give me a shout when you're ready to rock and roll.
Ready to rock and roll.
All right, perfect. There we go. So I'm going to give these a little cut. Now, obviously, we don't need an entire pack for this, but what we're going to basically do is now use your number to find your lucky card. Have you ever had a lucky card before?
No.
No? So this is a new experience. All right, awesome. So we're going to need 12 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. And what will happen is we're going to deal them out into a little chart. So this would be number 1, this would be number 2, this would be number 3. We're going to do it like a clock, basically. 4, that would be 5, that would be 6, and 7 here. That would be 8. This would be 9, 10, 11, and 12. So what we're going to do is count round to find out what your lucky card is. Now, obviously, we've not met before, but I would have, and I'm not very good at all this kind of thing normally, but I would have said you struck me as a sort of Virgo. I'd have said you were a Virgo. Is that right?
Yes.
It is. Okay, so if you're a Virgo, your lucky number is 8. So we would count around as if this was a clock to the 8th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 would take us here, right? Okay. So your lucky card from now for all time is, in this case, the 7 of clubs. I had a feeling it would be the 7 of clubs, Trinell. I had a feeling I'd meet a Virgo today, and I had a feeling that the lucky card would be the 7 of clubs, because this isn't just a little card, it's actually an envelope. And inside the envelope is a single card from a different deck. Could you take it out for me and show everybody at home? It is your lucky card, the 7 of clubs. Well, that was fate, but you say, you know, you've heard the saying that some things are written in the stars, and that means that they're fated and they're always going to come true. Mm-hmm. That was true of your lucky card because it was the only result you could have had. It was all written in the stars from before we began.
Nice.